Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.
Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Uniquely Lavish if you are new. And today we are going to be decorating our 7.5-foot Christmas tree. You ready?
Yeah.
Pretty. Me and Dawn about to get to work, you guys. And then we're going to take a break and eat us some lunch, okay? Because Mama made some chicken and dumplings. Yes, I did. But first, y'all, we're going to tackle this tree. We have our beautiful ribbons. And I have learned some new ribbon techniques from my girl at home with Lisa. Lisa, you guys, if you do not know who I'm talking about Living Life. But she does have a channel called Living Life with Lisa. Lisa, if you do not know who at home with Lisa is, you guys, go over there and get your decoration inspiration, okay? Because that's the decoration inspiration station for more, okay? But, y'all, we about to get into this tree. We ain't going to chit-chat. Okay, and I'm also doing reels and all other type of stuff in the process, y'all. But we ain't gonna chit chat and do a whole bunch of nothing. We gonna get to work. Ain't that right, Sweet Pea? All right, so we got our Rango, and y'all, I ain't gonna hold you. The music about to serenade you, okay? Cause I got work, like real life work. Now I don't know where my step ladder is, but I'm about to have to find it. 1 second, BRB. Hey, Google. Play Mary J. Blige on Pandora.
Okay, here's a Pandora station called Mary J. Blige Radio.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't need your help, I don't need your help. You should help yourself, yeah. I don't need your help, I don't need your help.
Okay, you guys, so the ribbon is pretty much finished. But I'm going to go back in with another ribbon technique to kind of fill in areas where I want just a little bit more, you know. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So we're just going to go in and fold them. Now this gold is not, it doesn't have like a whole lot of wire in it. And I kind of just used the stems from the tree to fold in where I needed it to fold in there. So I'm grateful for that. For this ribbon technique, you guys, you want to loop your ribbon into equal parts and take, I like to call it tree wire. You can get this from Michael's for like $2, $3, I believe. And wrap it around the bottom to secure it.
You've been good, haven't you?
Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' come through. You been good, haven't you? I'm not trying to put demons in your mind. I just wanna wish you a good night. Hope you get the cream with the pie. And what's under the tree, hit your vibe. Couple of G's, couple good tries, couple of T's. That you gon' be more getting your C's. You with the passion and took it too far. Look like a fool, even the mom, well shit. Look like a kid with the heart that's lit. Santa's bringing all he can fit. You did your part, he doing his. Yeah, like I'm the superintendent of this facility. I get the people what they want with agility. Yes, moving quickly, past ups and my enemies. They just file ledges, but they all real of me. Trust me, I'm about to get you hooked up.
Once you have your ribbon secured at the bottom, you're going to go ahead and clip off the excess, fluff it out, and place it in your tree or on your tree where you would like it to go.
None of that list you got, they gon' go through. But you've been good, haven't you? Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' go through. You've been good, haven't you? My eyes start to stream from the offset. Between the wants and the needs, I don't process. Like they talking French when they say son got nothing. I cannot comprehend how we gave up on justice. Leave me feeling beaten down on.
Now for the red ribbon, I decided to use the same technique. However, I wanted to add more texture. So I just simply turned the ribbon around on the other side. And made the bow bigger. So I made more equal sided loops in order to create a bigger bow with a different texture.
You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' do.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure.
Alright you guys, so as I'm stepping back and editing, I don't, why does it look so dark over there? Let me get a little brighter. Does that make it a little? I think that made it a tad bit brighter. But y'all, I think I want to put. Come on now, bright. I gotta bring y'all close. I might do, chill. But friend, I think that I want to put the red on the red and the gold on the gold. Cause like I feel like it's doing too much when it's crossing over. And the white is supposed to be the thing that brings it together. So, yeah. Alright, show what's going on. Hey Google, play.
Let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me. But you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold.
Come on.
We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud since we ain't going over. So tonight, baby, meet me.
Alright you guys, so I think we're looking pretty good so far. I'm debating if I want to do the ornaments in clusters or if I want to make it as a, what do you call it? A garland. I don't know. I don't know. I think I might just go for the clusters, the less is more situation, because I'm digging it so far. I do need to go back and get some more sprays for my top of my tree. But they didn't really have what I was looking for at the time. So I probably have to order that offline. Overall, it's coming together really, really nicely so far. And I guess I'll be back when we're ready for the final thing, huh? Now I need to show y'all how I make the clusters, and then we'll come back for the final result. All right, y'all. course, you want them to be all different sizes. And we're just going to take that same tree wire and we're going to go ahead and place our bulbs or string our bulbs on the tree wire rather. Once we have them all together, we are going to tie that wire tight. So I kind of like just double knotted it, but I left some additional, or well, triple knotted it. I left some additional string though to tie it on the tree.
They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, in my back, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got up in that bag.
Okay, you guys, so here is our tree. I have to get some more pics for the top, but this is her fully decorated. Just about. I might get another Frosty. Y'all say, hey, Frosty. We got our jingle bells over there. And y'all, how gorgeous are these ornaments here? Like, I had to turn the light off for y'all to see that. Like, I love this velveteen situation. Yes, I do, you guys. This is super duper uber cute. The tree skirt will be replaced, but I am pretty satisfied with my tree. Now the ribbon, the gold ribbon, may be replaced with all red. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I really enjoy doing this. Thank you so much, Lisa, for inspiring me, period, okay, to get this tree together. And you guys let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the clusters that I made with the bulbs or the ribbon, anything. Just let me know. And again, go over and check out Lisa's channel. She has a heap of a little bit of this and that and everything, okay? All things home decor over there at home with Lisa, you guys. Make sure you check her out. So, let me turn the light back on. Okay. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video helping me decorate this Christmas tree as much as I did creating it for you guys. This was an all-day process. This is not let me just throw some stuff on the tree. Like, this took some time, patience, and some work, friend. And I'm really grateful for you guys for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up this video, okay? And I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of Vlogmas with me. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.
Christmas vibing. Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they go